Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how you can create GoHighLevel sub-accounts automatically. So let's take an example that you are a company owner and your company is planning to open some outlets. For that you have created HighLevel forms and you have shared the forms with the outlet owners. Now you want that whenever the outlet owner fills the form, automatically a sub-account should be created into your HighLevel accounts. So maintaining the form details and creating the sub-accounts manually will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process. For that, we need to create an automation so that whenever the form is filled, automatically a sub-account is created. For that, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in creating GoHighLevel sub-accounts on GoHighLevel form submissions automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on Sign Up for Free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. And in this account, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Create GoHighLevel Subaccounts. And here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the details to be captured from GoHighLevel form submissions. So open this trigger window and in the choose application, let us find HighLevel. In the trigger event, we have to select form submitted. So I'm just going to find the same. Yes, form submitted. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions are also mentioned. So let us read the instructions. Log into your HighLevel account, select the account, go to the triggers, click on Add Triggers button to add the triggers, add trigger name and save. Okay, so let's move to the HighLevel account first. So this is my GoHighLevel dashboard. Here I have already created some accounts. I'm just going to show it. Okay, these are the accounts which I have already created. So I'm just going to switch to my account from here. I'm just selecting the account as Arya Associates. Now when we scroll down, here we can find the triggers option. Click on triggers. Here we have to click on this plus sign, add trigger. Here we have to give a name to the trigger. So let us give it as sub accounts. Let's click on save. Now what should trigger this rule? Which event should trigger this automation? From here we are going to select Pabbly Connect. Okay. And from here we have to choose the trigger. So trigger will be form submitted. I'll just select form submitted over here. What actions should we perform? Let's click on plus sign, add action. Here we have to select Pabbly Connect itself. Here we have to choose an action. So in the action we have to select webhooks. I'm just going to find the webhooks option over here. Execute webhook. Okay. Now here it is asking for the webhook URL. So we have to copy the URL from Pabbly Connect. This is the webhook URL. Let's click on copy. We'll move back to the GoHighLevel account and here we are going to paste the same webhook URL. Okay. Now here, before clicking on save, we have to select the action. Let's click on activate. Okay. And let's click on save. Okay. So now here we have set the webhook. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form which we have created in our GoHighLevel account. So I'll just take you to my GoHighLevel account once again. Here we can find the marketing option. Click on marketing and here we can find the form builder. So I have created the form here itself. The form name is new client form. Okay, I'm just going to open this particular form. Here I have taken the fields for the first name, last name, business name, email address, city, state, country. Okay, and if you want to add some more fields as per your requirements, from here you can add the fields as per your choice or your requirement. Okay, now when we click on this integrate form option, here we can find the embed code. So you can use this code to embed the form anywhere on your websites. Okay, and here we can find the link option. So we can use this particular link to get the form filled. So I'm just going to open the form in a new tab over here using the link. Here we are just going to fill up the form details. Let's give the first name over here as Shikha, last name as Jain, business name as Shikha Associates. Okay, here we have to give the email address. So let us give the email address as shikhajain123@gmail.com. Let's add the address as E4 234 Arera Colony, city as Bhopal, state as Madhya Pradesh, country as India. Okay, so we have given all the fields over here. Let's click on submit. Okay, and here we can see that the form has been submitted. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here we can see the responses received, and here we have got all the details of the form submission: first name, last name, full name, email address. Okay, here we can find the address details, city, state, country. Here we can find the company name. Okay, so here we can find that all the details of the form submission are captured over here. So now we want that using these details of the form submission, automatically a sub account should be created. So come to this action window, and here in the choose application, let us find HighLevel once again. Here in the action event, we have to select create location. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the token. To get the location API key bearer token, log into your HighLevel account, go to the settings, company and API, and even the note is also available over here. For action events of create location and create user, you need to put agency API key bearer token to go to the agency settings and the API key. Now here we have to take the agency API key. For that, let's go to the HighLevel account. Okay, I'll just close this window. Here we have to switch to the agency view. I'm just going to switch to the agency view. Okay, and here when we scroll down, we can find the settings option. Click on settings. And here we can find the API keys option. Click on API keys. Now here we can find the new agency key, demo test key. And here we can find the location API keys. So these are the keys for the location. As we create a new location, a new API key will be generated. Okay. But here we have to use the agency API key. So I'm just going to copy this API key from here. If you want to create a new key, by clicking on this plus sign, create new, a new agency key can be created. Okay. As I have already copied the key, we'll move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just paste the key or the token over here. Okay. And the token is a quite big long one. Okay. And let's click on save. Okay. Now the HighLevel account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to give business name, address, city. So we have got all these details from the form submission over here. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay. So I'll just scroll down. Let us map the business name from HighLevel as Shikha Associates. Okay. Here we have to map the address. So let us find the address. And let us map the complete address over here. This is the full address. Okay. Here we have to map the city. So let us find the city. City was Bhopal. Okay. Here we have to map the state. So I'll just find the state, that is Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Here we have to map the country. Let us map the country as India. Okay. If you have the postal code details, website, time zone, you can map it over here. I don't have all these details, so I'm just leaving it as blank. Let us map the first name. The first name was Shikha. Let us map the last name. That was Jan. Here we have to map the email address. It is a required field over here. And this was the email address. Okay. And here we don't have the phone details. So I'm just leaving it as blank. Okay. And I'm just going to leave all these details. Here we can give the snapshot ID. So by using the snapshot option, we can use the complete information of our account as a template in some other account. Okay. So I'm just going to select the snapshot ID as Arya's snapshot over here. Okay. Snapshot type as own. And I'll just scroll down. If you have to map these URLs, you can map the URLs over here. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. So now let us check our HighLevel account. Here we'll move to the account section. And when we scroll down, here we can find the new sub account, that is Shikha Associates. Okay, so in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'm just going to fill up the form details one more time. So let's move to the form. This time I'm just going to give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, business name as Magnet Brains. Let's give the email address over here as adamsmith11@gmail.com. Let's give the address as SP15 Arera Colony, city as Bhopal, state as MP, country as India, okay, and let's click on submit. Okay, and here we can see that the form has been submitted. So now let us check our GoHighLevel account. Okay, I'll just refresh it. Okay, and when we scroll down, here we can find Magnet Brains. A new sub account is created over here. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll just minimize the trigger window also. So first we have created an integration between HighLevel, GoHighLevel and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the form submission, and using the details of the GoHighLevel form submission, we have automatically created a new sub account in GoHighLevel account. Okay, and in this way we have created a successful integration using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.